දැන් වෙලාව කීයද? What time is it? What time is it? ඔබ කාර්ය බහුලද? Are you busy? Are you busy? ඔබට බඩගිනිද? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? ඔබට මහන්සිද? Are you tired? Are you tired? ඔබට මට උදව් කළ හැකිද? Can you help me? Can you help me? ඔබට කොහොමද? How are you? How are you? ඔබේ නම මොකක්ද? What is your name? What is your name? ඔබ කොහෙද යන්නේ? Where are you going? Where are you going? ඔබ මොකද කරන්නේ? What are you doing? What are you doing? ඔබේ වයස කීයද? How old are you? How old are you? ඔබට තේරෙනවාද? Do you understand? Do you understand? මට ඇතුළට එන්න පුළුවන්ද? Can I come in? Can I come in? මොකද වුනේ? What happened? What happened? ඔබ ජීවත් වෙන්නේ කොහෙද? Where do you live? Where do you live? ඔබ කෑමට කැමති මොනවාද? What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? ඔබේ වැඩ අවසන් කළාද? Have you finished your work? Have you finished your work? ඔබ සූදානම්ද? Are you ready? Are you ready? ඔබ පරක්කු ඇයි? Why are you late? Why are you late? මම ඔබට උදව් කරන්නේ කෙසේද? How can I help you? How can I help you? ඒ කවුද? Who is that? Who is that? ඔබට අවශ්‍ය කුමක්ද? Which one do you want? Which one do you want? ඔබ ආපසු එන්නේ කවදාද? When will you come back? When will you come back? අපි දැන් යමුද? Shall we go now? Shall we go now? ඔබ උදේ ආහාරය ගත්තද? Did you eat breakfast? Did you eat breakfast? ඔබට නැවත කියන්න පුළුවන්ද? Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that?